Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. We all know that general awareness plays a crucial role in the phase 1 examination of RBI grade B. Out of 200, general awareness contain 80 marks. In this video, we are going to discuss the strategy. If you will follow that strategy, you can get 70 plus marks in general awareness section of phase 1 of RBI grade B. This video is going to be very important for your upcoming RBI grade B 2021 examination. This is the exam structure for phase 1 exam of RBI grade B. You will have 2 hours and total 200 questions will be given. Each question will have 1 mark, so total 200 marks. General awareness will have 80 marks. Reasoning will have 60 marks. English will have 30 marks and quant will have 30 marks. Out of 80 general awareness questions, 60 to 65 questions will be from current affairs and 15 to 20 questions will be from static GK. Now we'll discuss how to cover the general awareness section. We have analyzed the last 5-6 years paper of general awareness and we have come up with the strategy. If you will follow this strategy, you can get 65 to 70 marks in general awareness paper. What we have seen, questions are from basic economy and finance. See, more than 50% paper will be from here. These questions are static in nature or current affairs in nature. If inflation is in the news, question related to inflation can be asked. If unemployment in the news, type of unemployment can be asked. If GDP is in the news, some data related to GDP can be asked. So this section is very important. You will see 40 plus question from this section. Then you will see question related to national parks in India, books and author, country capital and currency, important places and dams in India, generic current affairs like awards in news, sports in news, important days in news, important person in news, events and summits in news, important appointments in news. On the top of that, budget and economic survey is very important. We have seen many government schemes which has been mentioned in budget and economics had been asked. So this way you can prepare. Now you must be thinking how many months current affairs have been followed. So if you have time, you can go for 6-month current affairs. But if you don't have time, you can go for 4 months current affairs. You can start from November, December, January, February current affairs can be covered because your exam is on 6th March. So these 4 months current affairs should be covered holistically. And please focus on finance and economy news and social issues on news. So these 3 things can give you 40 marks. But if you are covering these things, these portions, then you can get another 25 marks and these sections will have 10 marks. So this way RBI is setting the paper for general awareness. This is very crisp strategy we have come up with by analyzing previous year paper. I advise you, please follow this strategy. You will not regret. You will definitely get 60, 65 marks or 70 marks in a good day in RBI grade B 2021. Educare 247 has launched General Awareness course for phase 1 of RBI grade B 2021. In this course, we are covering economy news from April 20 to March 2021. Finance news from April 20 to March 2021. We are covering social issues in news, important events from September to March, awards in news, person in news, important days, sports, appointments in news. We are covering the summary of Union Budget 2021-22 and MCQs based on that budget is there. We are covering economic survey summary and MCQs on that economic survey. We are providing static general awareness, economic static general awareness has been provided, and total 1500 MCQs on current affairs will be there in that course. So if you'll subscribe to this course, you'll get 65 marks in your examination. But if you are reading all the materials thoroughly, you can get 70 plus marks in RBI grade B 2021 examination in general awareness paper. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.